The Igbo people of southeastern part of Nigeria live a communal life. And this is why today on our theme, Culture as a Tool for Healing, we are in a community called Obolindego in Ogu local government area of Enugu State, where we are visiting families that lost their loved ones in a terrible accident that claimed the lives of children, school children, and also their teachers. And this is why we are here today, because we believe that when something affects the nose or the eye, it has affected the whole body. Today, the Oja Cultural Development Initiative is in this community to sympathize with these families who have lost their very young children. It is indeed a very painful experience for this community and the whole people of Enugu State and Igbo at large. So join us as we go from house to house, body to body, places to places in this community, sympathizing with them.
Thank you.
Omenala na ọdịnala jikọrọ Igbo niile. Anyị na-akwalite ọdịnala na asụsụ Igbo. Omenala Igbo bụ nke dị mma. Anyị nụrụ ife merụ nwesi ka anyị gbalute maka na ọ na-eme anya na-eme.